Alright, welcome. Today I want to show you how to make a WordPress blog post. Before then, we'll have to log into our WordPress dashboard, obigis.com/wp-admin. Click on enter on your keyboard. So once you're here, you have to enter your username or email address and your password. Log in. Then once you're in here, the next thing you do is click on posts, select add new. Then we are here, you add your title, the title to the article you want to write or you want to post. You can either copy from anywhere. So let's add a title. Trump has approved the use of chloroquine for the treatment of COVID-19. Alright, so we are done. The next thing we want to do right now is to start writing the body of the article. But before then, we have to add a photo, okay, that corresponds with the title. But in the case of this tutorial purposes, I'm going to just add a random photo, maybe a photo of Trump in that area. So we don't have a photo, okay, add an image block, okay, but in this case we don't have a photo. We have to copy or download or save a photo from Google. So let's search a photo of Trump from Google. Okay, so let's get a photo. All right, then save as, and type Trump. Save the image as Trump in your computer. Save. Okay, it has saved in our computer. So we'll go back to our WordPress dashboard and then click on the plus sign, then add an image block. Upload the image we just saved, the image of Trump. Look for it in your computer. All right, select that, click on open. Okay, the image is here. Okay, right now you have to write a caption for the image. You can write whatever caption that suits the image. In this case, I'm writing Trump approves chloroquine for the treatment of COVID-19. In your own case, you can write what suits the title, or simply leave it at Trump, or maybe President Donald Trump. All right. Spell checking. All right, I think that's correct. All right, so the next thing we have to do is to write the body of the article. Let me just write something random, okay? And just type in jargon, just for the case of this tutorial. So after you finish typing the first paragraph, you hit enter on your keyboard. All right, to get to the next paragraph, enter, and then type. You can even copy and paste from any other news outlet of your choice. Then click this. We want to add an image block. Then you can either choose to upload a new photo or choose from the media library. All right, then get Mr. Trump in here. All right, then don't forget to input the alt text. They are very important. The title, the caption, you can choose to write a better caption, okay, and a description for the photo. These are very important. Then select. So the next thing is to either continue writing your article. That is if you have a lot to write, but in this case I want to add a subheading. So I have to click on the plus sign to add a block. Okay, I'm going to add a heading block. So these are tools we use in formatting our articles. So in this case, I want to add a heading. All right, select heading. All right, select heading. All right, so you add a subheading for your articles. Okay, so you can either choose any size of the heading, H1, H2, H3, H4. All right, so we added the subheading WHO. That's World Health Organization dump research on chloroquine. So this is a subheading. All right, so on the right panel you can see the heading settings. Okay, all right, you can select any size you want, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, but in this case of this tutorial I want to leave it at H5. Okay, depends on what you want. All right, you can write what WHO did or what WHO said and the reasons why WHO dumped research on chloroquine. So, but I'm just writing jargons here, so just for the case of this tutorial. All right, so we are done. This is the articles. Just very simple, nothing too much in it. All right, so if you're satisfied with the article you have written so far, click on Documents to add a featured image. Okay, we have to set a featured image for this article. So click to set a featured image, click on that, then set a featured image, get from there. Okay, so you have to also input all these features: alt, text, title, caption, all right, and a description. Then set featured image. This is very important also. So the next thing we do is to set a tag. Okay, it's also an important thing to do in your blog. So set a tag. In this case I'm going to use politics news because it works well with the way I designed my website. Politics news, separate them with comma. Then the next tag is going to be COVID-19. Do not forget to separate your tags with comma. Okay, after that hit comma. All right, so we're done. So after you're done, the next thing is to get ready to publish. Then okay, so you have to scroll around and check if there's any mistake. If there's any mistake, you correct them. Then click on publish. Publish again. Publish. All right, post published. It has gone live. So let us check our website and see how the post looks like. So this post is now live on our website, so anyone can access and read this post from anywhere in the world. All right, let me show you that. Okay, this is it. Trump has approved the use of chloroquine for the treatment of COVID-19. This is the featured image we set. All right, on our back end. All right, these are the articles, the jargons we wrote. All right, so if anyone wants to read that, read complete posts, and then this is the full post. Okay, this is it. So this is how to make a post from your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so if you like this video, just take 1 minute to like this video, share, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you get notified when I post a valuable video like this one. Thank you for watching. Good luck.